look and sit the fuck still.
Hey, Jake.
No. Stop playing,
Oh
Ashley.
my God! You
Stop!
think we're performing?
Ashley,
surgery.
Stop, Ashley. I can just squeeze. Look, it's coming out. Stop. No.
Just stop fucking.
Let her
lying.
open it
Just
up
squeeze it,
and
just
it'll come
Just
out.
squeeze it.
Just squeezing it is gonna hurt more.
Acting.
Cause it can't just flow
You're
out.
trying to remove his
No,
finger.
no. Just stop, dude.
Ashley,
For
stop.
real.
No.
Jerry, you
Stop.
want me to see you acting like this? A little girl?
Stop playing. No, this shit is gonna hurt. No.
Hey, listen. You'll be
Sit
fine.
the fuck.
Stop. Get that. No. Ow.
Just stop.
No.
Open it up.
Stop. Ashley, stop. Get
Stop
the-
looking. Just
No.
don't look, and then you won't even know.
No, I don't like needles. Ashley, stop.
Just don't look.
Please stop.
If you don't look,
Stop. Ow. Ow.
No,
Oh, you're breaking my.
then
Here,
let
I'll
it
just
go.
squeeze it out. Stop. Ashley. Ow.
put a rag over your eye.
Let me do it. No, Ashley, I will do it. Let me do it to myself then. Let me do it myself.
You're not going.
Let me do it myself.
Let him do
I will do it. I will
Let
do
him try
it.
to do
Let me
it.
do it.
What an idiot.
Stop.
Jay, there you go.
Little punk
There.
ass.
You can't watch. Stop. Let him.
He was doing it
Let him
himself
be in
perfectly
pain.
fine before.
Let him be
Poke
in
it
pain.
right where that blood clot is so it
know.
can come out.
Let him be in pain
That's-
and cry all night.
Ooh, it's gonna hurt.
It's not. It's not even gonna hurt as much as it hurt now.
I don't even think this needle is sharp enough.
Poke it.
I'm going in slowly. Stop.
Just fucking poke it, dude. That's
It's no. It was. I don't think this needle is sharp enough for real.
Let me do it.
No, I got this.
I want the whole world to see how you act like a little bitch.
It's in. I can already feel. It don't feel like it hurts no more.
Oh my god, dude. You.
They're not cheap either. Remember when you used to be able to buy those for
Let me see. You just have to poke a hole in
It's
it. You don't
in.
have to
It's-
hold it in.
No, I'm trying to. I got it. I got
Get it
this.
open.
Oh, really?
Get it open.
Oh, that hurts.
No, because he wants to poke it himself.
Ow! I'll get it, Ashley. I'll do it.
All
I'll
right,
do
get
it
off the
slow.
counter and let me get my food made.
Get out of here.
How you gonna pull hair I don't have? Extreme close up. Ah! I just kidding.
It ain't even puncturing.
I am. I'm.
No, watch, he takes it. He was like,
I tried, Ashley. It's not going in. This needle is not sharp enough. I'm telling you.
Let me see.
Oh, it is.
I'm
There's a.
Instagramming this.
You see, it's coming out now. You see the white stuff?
Yeah,
Skin.
Poke.
Stop! Don't touch me.
All you have to do is just hold your breath and stab it, and that fucker will come squirt.
I know.
right out.
I can't believe you
get
acting
Ashley
like
in the
this.
eye.
Where's the seasoning salt?
But it's gonna squirt on here, Ashley, in the eye.
It won't go.